I'll be reviewing the Philips 34E1C5600HE 34-inch ultra-wide QHD monitor. If you're interested in exploring this monitor further or grabbing it at an amazing price, don't forget to check out the links provided below the video. Imagine transforming your workspace into a productivity powerhouse with a single upgrade. The Philips 34E1C5600HE 34-inch ultra-wide QHD monitor is here to revolutionize how you work, create, and connect. Let me show you how. First, its 3440 by 1440 ultra-wide QHD resolution and 21:9 aspect ratio give you the space to multitask effortlessly. Whether you're comparing spreadsheets, editing videos, or immersing yourself in detailed designs, the 1500R curved VA panel ensures incredible clarity and vibrant colors, thanks to its ultra-wide color technology with a stunning 123% sRGB and 99% NTSC color gamut. Your work will look as lifelike as it feels. But it doesn't stop there. In today's world of remote work and virtual meetings, this monitor truly shines. The built-in 5-megapixel Windows Hello webcam allows for fast, secure logins and crystal clear video calls, paired with a noise-canceling microphone and stereo speakers to ensure you're seen and heard with professional quality. No more fumbling for external gadgets. Everything you need is seamlessly integrated. The USB-C docking station is a game changer. With one cable, you can charge your laptop, transfer data, and display stunning visuals, all while keeping your desk clutter-free. Plus, the low blue mode and flicker-free technology let you work or game for hours without straining your eyes. Now, as amazing as this monitor is, it's important to know it comes with a glossy screen. While it delivers vivid colors, it might reflect light in bright environments. A thoughtful desk setup can easily mitigate this. So whether you're a professional looking for a productivity boost or a gamer seeking immersive visuals, this monitor delivers in every way. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the links in the description to grab yours at a fantastic price today. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.